The oldest perfume in the world. A 4,000-year-old scent frozen in time. When you think of perfume, you might imagine luxury bottles, celebrity brands, and elegant fragrances. But humanity's love for scent began long before the modern world, thousands of years earlier. Today, we're traveling back in time to uncover the oldest perfume ever discovered, a fragrance created 4,000 years ago and rediscovered in the ruins of an ancient civilization. The discovery, in 2005, archaeologists made a stunning discovery on the Mediterranean island of Cyprus, a site called Pyrgos. Buried under layers of earth and stone, they uncovered what is now considered the world's oldest perfumery, dating back to 1850 BCE. This wasn't a small workshop. It covered more than 4,000 square meters and included mixing rooms, distillation equipment, storage vessels, and even a production area, proof that perfume making was already a complex, large-scale industry nearly for millennia ago. Scene 2. How the perfume was made. Inside clay bottles and jars, archaeologists found traces of ancient scents. Scientists analyzed the remains and identified the ingredients. The world's oldest perfume wasn't a single smell, it was a blend, carefully crafted. The recipe: coriander, bay leaf, rosemary, pine resin, bitter almond, olive oil as the base. These ingredients were heated, mixed, distilled, and preserved using techniques surprisingly similar to those still used today. The ancient perfumers knew exactly how to extract essential oils to create long-lasting fragrance. Scene 3. The people behind the perfume. Cyprus was a powerful trade hub of the Bronze Age. Merchants traveled from Egypt, Mesopotamia, and the Mediterranean world. Perfume wasn't just for smelling good, it was used in religious rituals, medicine, cosmetics, and even for embalming the dead. The people of Pyrgos were perfumers, chemists, healers, and traders. Their creations were so valuable that perfume became one of the earliest luxury goods on Earth. Scene 4. Why perfume mattered. In ancient times, scent was magic. It symbolized purity, divinity, and power. Kings used it to show status. Priests used it to communicate with their gods. Everyday people used it for protection and healing. So this 4,000-year-old perfume wasn't just a fragrance, it was culture, science, and spirituality blended into one. Scene 5. Reconstruction. After analyzing the ingredients, Italian scientists recreated the ancient formula. The result: a warm, herbal, resinous scent, earthy, smoky, and strong. It smells nothing like modern perfumes, yet somehow feels familiar, like a memory carried across time. Narrator VO. The world's oldest perfume reminds us of something powerful. Human beings have always been drawn to beauty. We've always tried to capture nature's essence, to bottle emotion, to leave a trace of ourselves behind. And though 4,000 years have passed, the ancient scent of Pyrgos still tells the same story.